Hello animal friends. Today we will enter the world of birds, and we'll get to know one of the most unique birds in the world. Let's get started. Woodpeckers, or woodpeckers, are an interesting and prominent group of birds in ornithology. With their strikingly distinctive features, woodpeckers have caught the attention of researchers and nature watchers alike. In this video, let's explore 10 unique and interesting facts about woodpeckers. 1. Expert at finding food in bark. Woodpeckers are experts at finding food in bark. They use their strong and long beaks to strike the bark quickly and repeatedly. The loud sound produced by this activity also serves to attract the attention of the opposite sex and assert their territory. 2. Quarantines differ in color pattern. Color patterns in woodpeckers can differ between males and females. In some species, males have brighter and flashier colors, while females have duller colors. This helps in visually identifying the sex of the bird. 3. Unaffected by hard blows. While searching for food on the bark, woodpeckers face a huge impact from the blows of their beaks. However, they are not affected by such strong impacts due to a special structure in their head. The woodpecker's head has hard bones that act as protection and cushion the pressure when they hit the wood. 4. Extensible tongue. Woodpeckers have a highly extensible tongue that can be ejected from their beak up to several times the length of the beak. This tongue is equipped with a sticky tip, allowing them to catch insects and larvae hiding in the wood with ease. 5. Nesting in trees. Woodpeckers are the only birds that can build nests inside trees. They dig deep vertical holes in the wood to lay eggs and raise their young. The depth of the nest hole varies between species, and some can reach astounding depths. 6. Language and communication. Woodpeckers use different types of sounds as a means of communication. Their knocking sounds serve to attract attention, summon mates, and assert territorial dominance. Some species also have a unique set of sounds that are used in various social contexts. 7. Species diversity. There are more than 180 species of woodpeckers found around the world. Each species has its own unique characteristics and traits, ranging from body size to color patterns and habitat. 8. Role in ecosystems. Woodpeckers play an important role in the ecosystem. Their foraging activities in the wood help to break down litter and free up buried resources, such as insects and larvae, which provide food for many other animals. 9. Able to attract companions with its dance. Some woodpecker species have special dance moves that are used to attract their mates during the breeding season. This dance involves striking body movements and a unique set of sounds. 10. Has a specialized skull. The skulls of woodpeckers have some special adaptations that allow them to withstand the shock and pressure of their beak blows while searching for food in the bark. These adaptations include strong bone structures and hooks on the tongue that help control the tongue muscles. Woodpeckers are an amazing example of the wonders of nature and the uniqueness of evolution. With their bark foraging skills, species diversity and unique physiological adaptations, woodpeckers are fascinating and important animals in ecosystems around the world. Their beauty and intelligence inspire researchers and nature watchers to continue learning and appreciating the diversity of life in the universe. So that's our video today. Hopefully it can provide new knowledge for us about the animal world. Thank you.